Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Reconnect meeting, a dedicated online event for wind energy professionals. Every week we are conducting this as a audio event on Friday. Now, up to last week we were doing it on Saturday. Like now, I welcome everyone to join here, like Mr. Anandam. Yeah, welcome. So this meeting is dedicated especially for the wind energy professionals to share their wins and opportunities and the challenges what they are facing. Now, actually, even we are conducting this as a audio event uh, to help the people to see whatever I am talking. We also created a video streaming which is also available in our YouTube channel. I shared the link in our event. Hi, welcome Vijay Kumar. So we are starting now. I will brief about why this is and what we are going to do today. And possibly one more good news to all of you. Maybe from next week, we are planning to conduct this as a Zoom meeting. So all the things people can see each other and can do it. The main purpose of starting this is to share our wins within the wind energy professional. Also share the opportunities, whatever we are coming across. Mainly, what are the challenges we want like coming across every weekly basis, and then share the challenges and get the feedback from the people and within the industry so that you can progress in your career. The ultimate aim for me, the mission is very simple: help every wind energy professionals to build a sustainable career within the renewable energy sector, especially wind energy sector. So that is what ultimate aim for me. For that reason, this is designed and we are progressing. Almost from COVID period, we are conducting. Earlier, it was like a monthly session. Now we make it as a weekly basis. Like last month, we conducted this as a audio event every week. Now, like we are continuing in that sequence. Maybe from next week, we are going to make it as a Zoom meeting so that it will be like more personal interaction will be possible. So myself, R. Mahendran, founder of Sustainable Lifestyle Hub, also Research Development Research Center. I worked in wind industry for more than 14 plus years. Then I started my learning of music from A.R. Rahman's Institute. Then I started teaching music and also training continuously for the wind energy professional and people who are doing training and coaching, and I teach technology. Parallelly, I am also train the people on wind energy related topics. So that's about me. Let's get in. It is not only I am going to share it today. Actually, I have dedicated content prepared for you. That is about what are the turbine manufacturers in India who are all like certified within India. They can sell their model, and what are the turbine model they have, what is the variants they have, and from which country they are collaborated. All the information is available. I will be sharing on that after you people introducing about you and what is the win you like achieved in this week, and what are the challenges you faced, and then what is your opportunity. You can unmute and join and you can share about you. Then we can like talk about all the information I have to share with you. Most of you know about it, where to find those information and how you can use it. Today I will share all the manufacturers in India which are approved within India to sell their turbine models, and what are the turbine models available, what is the certification status now, whether they have the certifications like validity is there, or ISO certifications, or turbine certifications. Everything we are going to see. So be ready. Meantime, I will also share one more time. As you three here, I will share the information of our live YouTube live also, where you can see the content what I am going to share. Like now you can start introducing yourself and then we can take it forward, please. Anyone? You can unmute and you can start sharing about you. Anyone? Vijay? Yeah, welcome.
Hello, sir. Very good evening, sir.
Good evening. Good evening. Yeah, good evening, everyone. Yes.
Good evening, everyone. Sir, my request is for audience means those who are participating.
Yeah.
They raise and you will allow them to unmute and talk, right?
Yes. That is the Yeah, that is the option available here.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah.
So, okay, thanks. And myself, Vijay Kumar, I'm working as a loads engineer at Senvion India Private Limited, Bangalore. So almost 1 year completed for in the industry as per Software Academy. So last week, been successfully I learned the ultimate load simulation for the wind turbine components.
Super amazing.
Also, and I started learning the Python coding and for the day-to-day activity to do some automation process in the load calculation.
Amazing.
And challenges, there are a lot of things day to day we have to learn. That is the challenging I'm facing whenever I'm started learning new things.
Okay.
And the opportunity wise, in our Senvion in Tower T, we have opening.
Okay.
Last week also I shared with you, sir.
Yes.
But they are expecting even the freshers also, even if they have any experience with the design and the structural analysis aspects in the tower, especially.
Okay.
They are looking that we have opportunity in the tower team.
Wow, super, very nice. Anybody here, like if you are looking for opportunity within like a tower related things you want to work, then I think you can connect with Senvian team and you can get all the updates related to that and you can really proceed. So thank you for sharing the wins and challenges. Any questions you have related to whatever you are coming across?
I successfully completed with you the power curve assessment
Yeah.
without any absent of any class.
Okay.
Regularly.
Yes.
So I'm just extracting some real field data
Okay.
from our Senvion side.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm just started analyzing the power curve assessment. So we can discuss maybe coming days.
Okay, super. That is amazing. Okay, so like we can have one more follow-up session. In that, you can also learn about this. That will be really helpful. Super amazing. Thank you for sharing that because implementation is very important for all of us. Otherwise, it is a very tough thing for all. Really, I appreciate you are implementing the things. That's good for us. Okay.
The true thing is I'm not getting the time to extra to put the time in the power curve assessment. I have the means in the office hours I'm spending most of the time. Maybe this week I will spend some time. We can discuss.
Surely. So we can allocate some time on that and we can do this. So next, anyone who is interested to share about you? Ananda and Sureshkar. Sir, please you can rise and I can allow you like LinkedIn is like this. So we cannot like directly promote you to as a like a speaker. You can raise your hand, then I can allow you to speak. That is what it is here actually. So that's from Vijay. Okay, thank you very much, Vijay, for sharing. So now we can move to like meantime. I will share like I can send a message to Mr. Ananda. Maybe he is connected with me. I guess so. Land acquisition and licensing, super, very nice. And I don't know whether I can send the message to Mr. Sureshkar because we are not connected. Anyway, I can see your profile, I guess. Okay, sir. So I will share the link to what I'm going to share. The link will be, I will share that will be useful for you. You can watch video also. That will help you to see visually what I'm sharing. That will help. Because next week onwards, I feel this is like two places you go to work that I don't want to happen. So next week onwards, we will have single invitation form that you can use it anytime you can register and you can join the Friday meeting. We made it like that. It is available. Mr. Sureshkar, just I'm sending my connection request to you. So if you accept, then I will able to send the link to you. Maybe I will send that link also now in the request sending. You can connect. Okay, thank you very much, sir. So Mr. Dinesh also joined. Okay, welcome all of you. Like if you can complete your introduction, then we can move to the main session. Like whatever I prepared for you to share, then we can go ahead. All of you know or used LinkedIn audio event. I don't know. Many of you like every time when participating, they are facing some challenges. So to how to like unmute themselves and join. Okay. Vijay, you can share how you done it. Yeah.
Actually, we have to raise the means we have to click the reaction button.
Mm-hmm.
Then you will allow.
Okay, so in the reaction button, you have the option to like ask for like join as a speaker or something like that. How it is?
No, something like I have to raise my hand.
Okay, so you have what are the
So
symbols available? Which symbols you got to raise so
now
that I can? Yeah.
now I don't have any symbols.
Okay,
But the thing is,
I will send you to the like listeners session. You will just check and tell me like after that come back and share me. Okay, Dr. Aditya, welcome back after a long time. Okay, two sessions like we moved. Thank you very much again for joining. I just remember you can join and you can if you like to share some points you can also share because we are going to get inside the main part of wind turbine manufacturers who are all approved within India and what are the turbine model they have. Everything I'm going to share, which you can watch it in live from here. Like end of the session, I will share the one link which you can use it for any time. You can directly book this our website link. So we are planning to conduct as a Zoom meeting from coming week onwards. So that will be helpful because we don't want to keep the people in two platform to see the things. So that is the idea for us. Okay, now I will start. Meantime, any one of you like found how you can do this, like come as a speaker and you can share, then we can do it. Vijay, if you like, you can come and share what is the methodology like they have to use to join us. Yes. So your raised hand, that's what I see from my side. Then after that, I can allow you to speak. So there is a hand raise. That is what I see. Yeah, please tell me.
yes, sir. There is an option to raise our hand.
In React,
So
in the React button, right?
no. React is a different thing.
Yes.
For example, in React, I can there is showing the thumb,
Yeah. This is I understood.
something like.
Okay.
Yeah. So once you allowed that raise option is not available for me right now.
Okay. So you have the like some buttons like invite React, like I have invite React and mute button, but your
Yes.
side you might be having something raise hand
One
and
more button. Yeah.
yeah.
One more option. Raise.
Okay, raise
Exactly.
React and your audio
Invite
symbol.
mute.
Yes.
Yes.
Super. Thank you. Any of you interested, you can join. Otherwise, like I will start moving to the session. End of the session also you can share. Mainly this session is we scheduled to share your wins and challenges and opportunities. Nothing more than that. In that, whatever the things you are sharing, that what we want to discuss. But anyway, I have like prepared like from last to last week onwards, some of the people finding difficulty to join as a like speaker. That challenge is there. That is the main reason I was thinking like the last few weeks experience. Now I come to the conclusion that we can have the video event Zoom meeting itself directly. That is what my plan now. Anyway, thank you for joining all of you. Like let us move to the YouTube channel. You can directly check there whatever I speak. It is available. Audio also available here, and you can check there. Video plus audio is available. So any place you can connect. But this will be keep on like for the people who are going to join from here. That is the idea. So let us start. Okay, I'm already live in YouTube. People can see me. Now I'm just moving to the very important point like on how we can like the informations which is available openly. That's what I'm going to share. But most of us don't know if you are not in wind industry. This is what it is available. Like I will share with you. Maybe you can make the full view option to like view the things perfectly. That will help. Totally, actually speaking, to like this list, the report is actually directly taken from Ministry of New and Renewable Energy. So you can see here. I hope it's visible. It's they made it like a very tough report to read. So for time being, I make it small. So you can, I guess you can see me, like see the report. So Ministry of New and Renewable Energy, Government of India, Wind Energy Division. So from there, they are releasing this report. This report is like 1st June, means last month report. Every month they update. You know the procedure. If you don't know, like we will have another session also. I will make a video and I will share you how to like how to how every company is updating their latest information with MNRE. That also there is a procedure you can follow, and from here you can get the information. Now let us see totally the information is available with us, manufacturing companies with the contact details available. Also company incorporation details available here. You can see, and other than that there are many informations you can very critical information for people who are looking for any want to develop a wind farm, or they who are doing studies, anyone. This is very useful information. That's what I see, incorporation and then licensing and collaboration from which company, any joint venture detail is there, that is also you can get it. And model number, especially whenever I conducted that quiz program, people ask me, okay, why you are conducting quiz program which is related to one particular company? So that is a very big question, but actually when you are in wind industry, you should know at least who are all the top player and what is the turbine model they have and everything. Today I dedicated this for India. The reason is, if you are working in wind energy sector within India, then you should know what are the organizations, especially OEMs available within India, means certified turbine models, everything you should know, and technical specification. That is the main reason we are sharing. So here you can find the model name which are available with any manufacturers. It is not about the proposed models, it is about the certified model that they can sell within India. That is very, very important for us. Next thing is rotor diameter. You know what is the hub height variance they have, and the tower height also, what is the tower type they are using, what is the capacity of the turbine. That is also you can learn. This is one important thing. And then you can find the type certificate. What are the type certificate they have, according to which IEC standard they got this certificate. So you will get the idea. Then any outstanding issues are with that particular certification, that information also available. More than that, you can directly access those certificate details. That is very, very important. Link is available. You can click and you can download and see the certification details also. Apart from that, what is the manufacturing certification, manufacturing system certification they have, ISO certificate, something like that. So you can see what is the certificate and the validity of that particular certification also you can know. So these many informations are available for us to access, and you can use it. For the analysis purpose, this is the report actually. For the analysis purpose, I made it like a different format. That is what it is available. So you can see totally we have in India, Assam today, if you want to know, then we have exactly, I just share you, totally 33 wind turbine models are available. 33. Okay, 33 wind turbine models are available. But the manufacturer wise, if you if you are combine all the manufacturer, totally approved means the manufacturer who can supply their turbine within India, 14 number 14. Okay, this is very important input for us. So 14 manufacturers are available, and they have 33 variants totally. So this is what we are getting from here. And other informations, if you like to see what are the companies are operating, that also we can see. Envision, like Envision Wind Power Technology. Any of you know about Envision? Are any of you working here in the Envision? Please, you can also unmute and talk about your turbine models or anything you are interested. You can also share. Or if you are watching in YouTube, you can also share it as a comment that I can see if possible. Okay, so that's one thing. Okay, you can share as a comment. I think did I allowed commands and all? I don't know. Let me check. So I am also here in the Envision. Please. Okay. So chat is disabled. I'm so sorry. I'm not planned because I was focused on here, so I'm not made it as a chat availability. Anyway, no issues. So you can chat in the LinkedIn also. Fine, I will check. Another important thing is after Envision, they have two important model, and it is they have the Envision from China. Okay, that's very important. These two, the collaboration from China, you can understand that. I will make a little bit bigger so that you can also read. So I guess it's readable now, and I can make the views also. since we have more information in this, okay, I resize it. Okay, so view. Okay, cool. So now we made it. Envision, they have two turbine models, and we can see the two turbine models. EN 2.5, 131, 50 hertz turbines. IEC, yes. Now this is open question to all of you. Like you can think about it. What is IEC? Yes. Okay. It's a special case. Like IEC standard, and we have the different category. It is IEC, yes. So special category. And another model you have like the capacity and everything. We can see rotor diameter 131, and they have the hub height variation 100 meter and 120 meter. Two heights are available for the one particular model EN 2.5. Okay, so the tower type they are using tubular tower type. Okay, Envision EN 156 model 3.3 megawatt. That means they have two bigger variation 2.5 and 3.3. So it is like huge variations available. Anyway, we will see finally the graph formats also that will help you to understand what is the total things are available. Like 100, and they have this 3.3 megawatt. They are using hub height 140 meter. Wow, it's a huge. This is also tubular tower. Both they are using tubular tower. And then when you see like capacity 2500, 3300, there is a 3 hashtag. We have to see like what it is, the definition. We can see it. And then you have something like IEC. Their use is like 61400 22 to 2010. That is the year of publication. Like that is where that is how they got the certificate for this particular two turbine models. And they have the certification. Like there is no outstanding for the first model, means 2.5 megawatt model, but for 3.3 they have some outstanding. So this is also we should know. Like I already said in the IEC session, where you can find the certification details and everything, what certification done, who is doing site like testing and everything. You can check that platform to find like what is the status. So type certification validity is still like the previous one 2.5 megawatt, like day before yesterday, 11th the validity is end. Okay, and similarly for this type certification for another model 3.3 megawatt, it is end on 14th. Okay, 14/9/2023. This is for certificate. You can see the check the certificate also here. Like let me click, and if it is open and it will go to another window, I will share the window once it is done. Okay, so meantime we can check it. So like this, we can go ahead and see all the informations. Like manufacturing certificate, they have ISO 9001 2015 certificate. You can see the validity is till April 2nd, 2024. So you can see the Envision certificates also here. You can directly check them. So both are available. Okay, now I will show the certificates so you can understand more about how the certificates and all. So that will help you. Okay, let me open the certificate part. Okay. So where it is? Yes, here it is. Okay, I'm going to show you the certificate. Like I guess you can see my the certificate details now. If yes, please you can see it. So DNVGL is their certificate provider. You can see, I guess. Yes. So anyone can share here. Anybody joined newly? Vijay Kumar, Suresh, all four of you have the, I think, link to the YouTube is available, I guess. I think Dr. Aditya, please, you can see here. Whatever I'm sharing, you can watch it there also. Suresh Kar, already I shared with you. I think you can check it out there. So this is a type certificate. You can check. So let me open and go through this. Certificate number is clearly available. Issued date also available from 2018, and you have the validity until the dates are available. So here you can find it whenever they got the type certificate, it will be valid almost 18, 19, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 5 years. So validation is there. So issued for which company, what is the turbine model, everything is clearly mentioned. 2.5, 131, 50 gets, IECS, Hutch, means hub height 100 meter and hub height 120 meter. So this is what they got the certificate, and Envision Energy Go Limited, the company address, everything is available. According to what? Now you can see here, like IEC 61400, 22, 2010, means the year 2010, wind turbines, part 22, means IEC standard detail this one, and conformity testing and certification. Who are all, what kind of testing done? You can see here, design basis conformity statement, dated this one, and then design evaluation conformity statement, here it is, manufacturing evaluation conformity, type testing conformity statement. So you can see like one side all the conformity certificate for each of the basic and evaluations, and then manufacturing evaluation, like another thing, like type testing. That is what we are learning from here. All the we learned in IEC 12-2 and 12-1 and all that we cover, like power curve and other things. Component certificate also available, gearbox separate certificates available done, and component certificates for other blades, rotor blades, everything is done on this date. All the reports details available, document details available here. If you want to check, you can also go and see what kind of things they are presenting in that one. And the final evaluation report done on 12/12/2018. So like if you want to understand like what are the things they are testing and what is available and everything, who is involved in this project, everything is available here, you can check it. So this is one thing about the certificate. And ISO certificate also you can see here, ISO 9001 2015. So for which company, registered office detail, everything available here. This is how it is done. Okay, so like if you are part of any organization and you want to share such information, you want to find such information and share with the people, then you can use it. So now I will move to again our data sheet. So here we can find all the informations available. So let me show you. Okay, so here we can see. So like this, every company has the data. What is very interesting for us now I will change. So what is this three have hash symbol and $3 symbol that we will see, and we can also see what kind of turbine models available and everything, like tower model they are using, what is the hub height minimum to maximum available, everything we can see. So we can understand. Now I will just this data again, it is a huge processing is required, but still you can quickly go through each and everything, and we can try to understand what it is available. So totally 14 organization, 33 model variations available. That is very important. Who is dominating? You might want to understand that. So this is one of the important information available. So second, another important company is GE India Private Limited. They have I don't want to go everything in detail, so just I'm quickly going through this. Afterwards we can discuss about if you have any questions. 2009 they incorporated here. The parent company is from Spain, Espana, yes. And then you have the GE 2.7, the model GE 2.7, 132. So rotor diameter is 132, and hub height they have two variation, 94 meter and 130 meter. They are using a tubular steel tower, and the model is 2730. Capacity is 2730. And this certification you can clearly see here, 61400 22 210 and IEC 61400-1 to 2005. This was earlier, we were using 2005. Then amendment 2010 also included. There also class is S. Please check what is class S. That is very, very important. So you can learn it. And type certificate, no outstanding, and valid till 2024. Same way with ISO certification, and valid till 2026. So all available, no problem. So GE only one turbine model in India. That's very important. Then coming to the Suslan, I think Suslan have like 1, 2, 3 model, 3 variant they have. Like the first one, From 1995 they are operating from India, and there is no like a collaboration with the joint venture. Suslan, yes, 111. The rotor tire 11 means 111.8, 2.1 megawatt. They have the three variants in the hub height: 90, 120, 140. And then for 90 meter they are using tubular steel tower. For 120, 140 they are using hybrid latex towers. Okay, hybrid latex towers they are using. So you might seen the turbine of Suslan, so it's look completely different. The capacity is 2.1 megawatt. IEC, they have variant IEC, like IEC 3A model and IEC S, both they have. Okay, so you can check it out, and the certification also based on the new 61400222010. No like outstanding is there. Type certificate validity 2025, and you can see ISO validity also 2024 is there. So one more year they can run. Same with like other models, we can check like when you get time, like, you can also check them. I will move to another manufacturers. Like we will see what is the other capacity they have. That's only we want. 120 2.1 megawatt. There is both are 2.1 megawatt, but variant is there. So hub height it is like 105, 120, 140. Other model is 133. So here 2.8 megawatt and 3 megawatt. Two variant is there in that. So they are starting with 2.6, 2.8, 3. Three variants are there. Okay, it's a huge. Like so totally you can say 2.1 megawatt. Two variants are there, and for then they have 2.6, 2.8, 3 megawatt. So it is like 3 plus 2, 5 variants is there, and hub height variants also there. But model wise they have 3 models. That what we can see, and I guess the certification everything is done. Tubular tower, hybrid tower, that is their ideology. Like they are using, like you can see multiple different things they are using: tubular steel towers, hybrid latex towers, and modular hybrid latex towers. So they have 3 variants in that. Capacity also 2.1 to 3 megawatt. They have like good variants now in the manufacturing side. So coming to the Vestas they have 1, 2, 3. 3 models, main models. Vestas is from Denmark, all of you know that, and they are one of the well leading company. They have 2.2 megawatt, 2.1 megawatt, 2.2 megawatt, and 3.6 megawatt. Okay, so this is what very important thing. So like this competition now you can see they are going like earlier we were like maximum 1 megawatt, then 1.5, now 2. Now 2 is normal. Every company has 2 megawatt. Then above that they are trying to go up to 3. Now Vestas you can see 3.5 megawatt. Even the hub height also, like it is starting from 90 meter to going to 133 and 155. Sorry, rotor diameters. Also you can see the hub height, it is going up to 137 meter. Okay, so this is very very important. I will also make one graph like chart of like I split all the information, then I will share with you like chart like hub height variation, rotor dia, and tower type they are using. They are using conical tubular steel. These are the variations they have, and then up to 3.6. So 2 megawatt to 3.6 megawatt. They have the turbine variations. You can have it. The validity till 20, 25, 24, 27. Each variation they have 3 thing. And for the manufacturing certificates also they have like till 2024. Yes, up to 2024 December. So that's great. So this is about Vestas. Now you can compare yourself like different turbine models, how it is. We may have some sessions like technically we can go into detail and check how it is. Inox, yes, Inox you can check. They also have very important like 2 model. Inox, it's also from Noida, you can see, and they are partnered with Austria, GmbH, EAMSC. I mean, many of you know about these companies. So the wind turbine model again, the 2 megawatt, and hub height like rotor dive 113, hub height is going up to 92. Tubular steel tower only they are using both the cases. Okay, the capacity is 2 megawatt. 2 megawatt is there, like they are using. They are certified by GL. Okay, class 3A, class 3B, both they have. What is these classes? Like 3A, B, and we also seen some special classes. So you have to think about that. Like you can Google it and find it. I'm not disclosing that now. Okay, so and there is no outstanding. And 2027 till 2027 they have the access, means validity. 2024 another model. Then ISO certificate means okay, last month it is expired. Maybe they will get it done next month. If we see that updated information will be here, I guess so. Next, Senvian. I think one person from Senvian available here. Like you might know all the turbine variants, whatever you have in your company. I guess yes. Yes, Vijay, you want to share something? Okay, new person also joined. I am so sorry, I come here now only. So Sri Lakshman joined. Lakshman, I will share link to you. There you can find our whatever I am sharing. It's you can see it in our YouTube channel. Okay, I shared the link to you. You can see like. Vijay, you want to talk anything? Yes. Okay, I am allowing you. Then we can continue. Okay, it's continue. Yes, Vijay. Yeah.
Sir, actually, this certificate, suppose for example, if you are going for as a OEM, I am manufacturing on, we are designing a new platform. For example, you take a 4XM or a 6XM.
Yeah.
So we want to certify that one, right?
Yes, yes.
Before going into serial production.
Yeah, yeah. Any variants you are doing, which is as defined by IEC. If any variants, for example, hub by 2 variations, or you are making rotor blade variations, or any generator variations, everything need to be certified.
Yeah, for that certification, they are giving the end date. For example, 2023, 2026.
Yes.
So after that, we have to go for certification.
No, it is not like a full certification. Again, you have to produce all the things as per the procedure, whatever they are asking. Then they weld it and they will certify.
Okay.
If you are making changes in the turbine model, anything, then the certification will be testing, everything will be there. Okay, that's
so
why
what is the validity means 5 years of the certification? What does mean exactly?
Yeah. So for example, if you like certified on this day, okay. For a particular turbine model with a particular variation, hub height, rotor diameter, and everything, then the committee, whoever certifying body, they are verifying as per your document and they are giving the certification with some validity. After that, you need to renew it.
Okay. Means so after 5 years, whether they will do the power curve PCTV test?
No, not all the test. Maybe what are the as per the procedure what they explained, in that they will do it. And it mostly documentation verification, all those things will happen. Or any visit from them, all the things will happen. Okay. Like ISO certificate also, they have some validity period. After that, you go to certify your like manufacturing thing, because you might change your process, but you are not informed. Okay. So like you have the turbine which are running, like you are certified for up height 100 meter, 120 meter. After that, you created 140 meter and you are running the turbine in the serial production. It is not allowed, right?
Yes.
Okay. So all the things need to be verified and again recertified. Means extension of validity. Same way, like after 20 years of your turbine lifetime, in the like many other certification also there, how to disposal, many things are available here. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Please, that way it will help. Okay.
Cool. Yes. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. Right.
And okay, sir. If you want that Senvion, you came to Senvion the products.
Yeah.
So if you want, I will explain. Otherwise, you can go ahead, sir.
Yeah. Please, you can explain. No problem. Yes.
Yeah. Yes, sir. You can show the screen.
Yeah, I am in the Senvion screen only. Yes.
Yes. Thanks. So, um, as I can see, so we have a two product platform. One is 2.3 megawatt capacity
Yes.
and 2.7 megawatt. We have two platform right now,
Yeah.
and which is for rotor diameter 120 as well as 130 rotor dia.
Hmm.
And we have a hub height. For 2.3 megawatt, we have only 120-meter hub height.
Okay.
And then for 2.7 megawatt, we have a three different hub height: 120, 130, and 140.
Super.
It depends on the site. We are providing the depends on the site means it depends on the turbulence intensity, wind condition that hub height we will change.
Okay. Super.
For both the tower, we are using the tubular steel, like
Okay.
that's
Super.
one. And this IEC 61400, and we have a S class wind turbine, and it's a 3B also.
Okay.
It's based on the sun. And that means that 3B means the wind turbine as per the IEC 61400
Yeah.
wind turbine design requirements.
Yeah.
That is 3 means it's a third class turbine,
Hmm.
which is based on the V reference, that is a reference wind speed at hub height.
Okay.
So if it is 37.5 meter per second, that is a third class
Hmm.
based on IEC document 61400. It's based on that.
Yeah, okay.
If it is if the first class means it's a V reference is 15 meter per second.
Okay.
Its second class means 42.5 meter per second.
It's
So
a-
ours, yes,
It's only
If
one
suppose-
parameter, or we go to see two parameters?
Yes, sir. That ABC is depends upon the turbulence intensity.
Okay, that's fine. And I am talking about like you go to see only annual average wind speed, or any other parameter also you go to see.
As per my understanding, we
Yeah.
have to see the V reference wind speed.
What is reference
Only.
wind speed?
If it is a third class, it's a 37.5 meter per second. Which
Is
is
this
a,
like okay, only that parameter is enough, or like what is that? Okay, you explain. That will be helpful.
yes, sir, yes, sir. For example,
Yeah.
we have a three class:
Okay,
class
class
1,
3.
class 2, class 3.
Yes, yes.
So if you want to design the turbine, reference wind speed is nothing but it's a written period of 50 years.
What
That
it is?
winds that yes, that am I clear? So means that means suppose for example,
Yeah.
wind turbine class 1 means
Okay.
that we are designing the turbine
Mm-hmm.
for wind speed 50 meter per second, which
Okay.
will occur in the 50 years of written period.
50 years of?
uh, in a 50 years, that 50 meter per second will occur once at least.
Okay.
So we are designing a turbine for 50. It can withstand a 50 meter per second. That's the
Okay.
thing.
So super, very good. So we reference that is one parameter to decide your what you can say IEC main class. Okay.
Yes.
So
Class one.
subclass it is based on the turbulence intensity. Correct?
Yes,
Yeah,
exactly.
super. So the question from my side, it is the only parameter we reference is enough to define your main class, or you need some other parameter.
Oh,
Yeah.
exactly.
Okay, anyway, no problem. Like you are in the first year of industry, but you can go and check because you are
Yes.
doing load calculation. That means you should know this very clearly. Okay.
Exactly.
So this is open question to all of you. Like if you are no, like you can share me in the like chat also, like in the LinkedIn. Otherwise, you can check it out. Okay. Very good. Thank you very much for sharing. Okay, good. Other than that, like related to like Senvian, thank you for sharing. So
Yes, sir.
Senvian, like yeah, thank you, Vijay. Thank
Thank
you very
you.
much. So here, like I want to share one more thing. Like in the Senvian, I'm just sharing the window of our main window. Let me go back, go to our event. I guess we are in right event. Okay. So meantime, anyone who want to unmute and you want to share something, you can also share, or ask question, you can also ask, because it is completely technical thing. I don't we have to respect Dr. Aditya and for joining and listening to this, all of you, because she is not from wind energy, but she was like very passionate about the renewable energy sector. She shared last time. Okay, so here it is. Like I want to share one more thing about the like our if you were talking about this particular organization Senvion, they have like turbine model and everything. Technically we discussed the main company, like their parent company is RE Technology from Germany. Okay, but I guess Indian company is independent now. Yeah, they are operating in that way. Main office in Mumbai. Like contact details, everything is available. You anybody interested, we can contact also. So about this, then we come back. Other parameter, anything we don't miss? No. Like type certification valid till 2027 for the model 2.3 megawatt, and for 2.7 megawatt valid till 2024. Okay. So next thing is like ISO certification valid for till 2024. Yes, 2024 June. Okay, next year, 1 year is there. Like almost 1 year is there. Now I move to next our local players, Shiva Wind Turbine India Private Limited. Okay, so here I will share my screen. I will switch to other screen. I was sharing our LinkedIn screen itself. So let me see. Let me change to other thing. Okay, on. Now this is off. Change. Okay, now I think you can see this data. Okay, so here it is. I don't know, something happened to this. Fine. I hope you can see, all of you now you can see the actual statistics from here. Shiva Wind Turbine India Private Limited, they have like they are from India and they are operating from here Perundurai only, E-Road. So it's really Shiva, they have 225 and 250. You can you imagine, like still they are keeping that turbine models. It's really amazing. So maybe rotor diameter 30 and hub height 50 meter. Now you can see the variation from 50 meter height to we have already seen Vestas 136 meter. So it's available. They have 4-legged lattice steel tower. Okay, so they are using lattice steel towers, and the capacity is 225 kilowatt, 250 kilowatt. Okay, this is where when we started, this was the like a kilowatt capacity. Maybe very soon small turbines also going to come, micro turbines also going to come, even turbines without blades also going to come. All those in the technology research side. So that is what we are going to learn in our main program also in coming days. Okay, type certification and outstanding issues. No, and they have the validity till 2026, and ISO certification valid till next month, 2023. Okay, so this is about here, and one of the dominating company now as of due to the variants and a few years they are also leading in India, Siemens Gamesa. So they have multiple variations. We can see it's after Siemens and Gamesa, they are become a takeover. Now it is become Siemens Gamesa. Earlier it is Gamesa. Now Siemens Gamesa Renewable Energy from Spain. Mostly Gamesa turbines are operating here, but after taking over, like it's renamed as branding is become Siemens Gamesa. So G114 2 megawatt rotor dia 114 and 106 110 hub height with pedestal. Okay, and they have like you can see another model 2.1 and 120 meter rotor diameter, 108 127 hub height. They are using tubular tower. Another model they have like 2.2, another model 3.4, another model 3.4, another model 3.6. Two variants in 3.6. So like Vestas and they are direct competition now in India. If you see the biggest variation from 2 megawatt to 3.6 megawatt match, both are having same category of turbine capacity. So you can check that. So it's like one of the huge information for us. You can see. Then you can check like certification part. They have no outstanding in all the model. It is good. Okay. So now we can see like validity 2025 for 2023, like May month one model validity is gone, and then okay, two model two model validity is done with the last 2 months, like it is like 2.1 2.2 validity is end in the last month, May month itself, May last to last month. So and this data is June data. July data maybe we will get it soon. And then coming to other models, like validity is 2025 validity they have till 2025. So it's really huge numbers, you can see. And then like ISO certification, they have 2024 till 2024 2024, I think all the things 2024, mostly same data. Fine. Siemens Gamesa, they have like multiple variants, 2 megawatt to 3.6. Then PASL Wind Solution Limited, they also from India, Ahmedabad. They have like from 2008 they are operating. They have 800 kilowatt, I guess, 83 rotor diameter, 58 rotor diameter, hub height is 80, and tubular steel tower they are using. One 800, another one is 1500. We will see these special symbols what it means, like after the end we are and they have like class 2A and GL 210 certification, no any outstanding. Okay, the type certification valid till 2023. Okay, one is over, like 1500 it is they got renew, and for 800 kilowatt they can have like till next month, 2 more months. So ISO certification 2023 it is available, yes, you can check it. The next one is Nordex India, they have only one model in India. The parent company is from Spain, and they are operating at 125 3 megawatt, AW 125, rotor dia 125, hub height 120, tubular reinforcement concrete tower. They are using concrete towers, you can see. And capacity is 3 megawatt. Directly only one model, 3 megawatt, class 2B. And then you can see the validity till 11th month, November, they have the validity this year. And then certification till 2024 they have the validity. So now, sorry, Nordex, they have 2 models, I'm so sorry. So one is like 3, both are 3 megawatt only. The variation is AW 125, AW 140, 3 megawatt. Hub height, rotor diameter is changed, rotor diameter 140. Okay, other things are remaining same. Okay, but it is for class S. What is class S? That question is open. Like 2024, the validity for the manufacturing validity 2024. Now coming to the one more company, Para Enterprises Private Limited. Earlier it was Pioneer Wincon, one of the oldest company. Now from 2015 they are become Para Enterprises Private Limited. I think still there is a Pioneer Wincon, but it is they added some more words that is different. They are from Chennai, and you can see one of the oldest company in India. This Para 2015 they started as a new company separately. Like here they don't have like any collaboration. They have one Pioneer Wincon turbine 750 kilowatt. Okay, IEC 3B 49 1.7 rotor dia 49. Hub height is 61 and 75 they have. They are also using a steel tower with a tower top adapter, 750 kilowatt. The certification is the latest certification they are using. And then 2023 valid means May month their validity need to be renewed. And they have like ISO certification till 2024. So the Pioneer Wincon, earlier it was a Pioneer Wincon, now it is continuing in the same name, Pioneer Wincon Energy System Private Limited. Earlier it is Pioneer Wincon Private Limited. Now after this segregation, they made like a split. They made like a Pioneer Wincon Energy System Private Limited, but they incorporated in 2018 only. So running a company for a longer period, it is a big challenge, you can see. But the Pioneer Wincon, they are keeping, I think, all the models, 3 variations they are keeping. So what is that? 750, and both are 750 only. And you can see the rotor dia 49 and 57. 2 variations in the hub height. Hub height also 75, 90 and 46, 69. Okay, sorry. They have 75 and 90. And then they are also using same lattice tower, top adapter, and then 750 kilowatt. Both are almost the model and everything is like a new company, and this one also same condition, everything is same. You can see here, very important thing, they already certified use 61400-1 2005 plus amendment, now the latest one. So that means this turbine model is from like longer 2005 or before 2005 it is like available. So you can guess like how old this company is. Then there is a certification outstanding available for this one. Then you can check the validity till 2027 they have. That's good. Okay. So next thing is validity for the ISO certificate 2025. So good. Finally, we have one more company, which is two more companies. Emergia Wind Turbine Private Limited from again from Tamil Nadu. Okay. Kuduvancheri, yeah, Sengalpattu, very nice. The source the joint venture is from the Netherlands, Emergia Wind Technologies. Okay, and they have DW61 model, 61 rotor dia, 4669 2 upright, tubular steel tower. The capacity is 1 megawatt. So now you can see from 20 to means 225 kilowatt to we can see 3.6 megawatt turbine model available within India. IEC 2A, 3A, 3B, class S, every model is available. So that you can check now, summarizing these points here. Okay, so finally only one model. This one is 2023 validity, and for certification validity is 2027, and ISO certification available till 2023. Yes. Now finally only one organization, Southern Wind Farm Limited. So they are also from West Mambalam. Okay, you can check they are from West Mambalam. 1 second. So almost many companies are operating from Tamil Nadu, and that is a starting point. You can see from India, first projects is started from here in Tamil Nadu, and Gujarat are very important states in terms of wind project development. That's what we are seeing here. You can check it out. Now after this, they are also operating with from 2006 they are operating, and they don't have any joint venture GWL 225 kilowatt, rotor dia 29.8, and hub height 48.7. Tower type is tubular steel tower, folded bolted, and capacity is 225. You know, class S turbine, type certification no outstanding, until 2026 they have the validity. For the manufacturing system certification, they have certificate validity till 2024 ISO. So this is about these companies and what they are doing and what is it. Very important that dollar symbols, all those things we can cover. We have 2 more minutes. Please bear with me. We can check those details also. So here you can see some important information. The star symbol, which means WTG model can operate with power output up to 2.2 megawatt under enhanced performance mode as per the type certificate. So that particular turbine model which has the star option, so they can operate till 2.2 with the enhanced performance. And staller symbol used there. ABB MAC generator and ABB MAC converter shall be used. You see how specific they are mentioned. If they are not used this thing, they are not certified within India. Double dollar symbol, Regen Power Tech Private Limited is undergoing the corporate insolvency resolution process. So they mentioned what is the problem in that case. And 2 hashtag you see, as per the information provided by Senvian Technology from Senvian GmbH Germany, it has filed for debtor in possession proceeding on 9th April 2019 in accordance with the law. So this is that was that time there was issue then now Senvian India is there, I guess. So they are taking care of everything. And hashtag only EL and IN model and Siemens AG model generators shall be used. So you see how specific every data is. The validity of type certificate is restricted to the expiry date of component certificate of 2024. Everything is clearly mentioned, so you no need to worry about it. All the informations are available here. So all the information shared by the company and the type certificates, based on that, MNRE, there is a review process that is reviewed and that is available now for the public to access this data. Means everyone who want to become stakeholders in the wind energy sector, they can access and they can use these informations for investing in the wind energy sector. That is the idea for MNRE. Those information available. So that's it for a day. Anyone who want to share any about the session, or you want to share any of your information, please join and share. Yes, here it is. Anyone? Yeah, Vijay. Yeah, please, you can share any of your final points. All of you can have 2 minutes, like share your things, then we can wind up today's session. Oh, one more thing I forgot. I will share the link to next meeting. Okay, once you're done, then I will share the link to next meeting. That only link you can use just to register. Register at least 2 hours before the time scheduled, so that you will get the link automatically. That will be like you can join the Zoom meeting. That will be helpful. Yeah, please go ahead, Vijay. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Thanks for your this brief session for what are the OEM and what are the means different platforms we have in India.
Yeah.
So really, it's a good information. And also, I noticed that not only IEC based, there is some couple of turbines is GL based.
Yeah, GL certified.
Yes. That also I noticed. It's a good information. And from this session, I came to means I have some clarification based on this wind turbine classes.
Okay.
I will go through and I will get back to you maybe later.
Super. Very. And thank you for sharing whatever you know about IEC classes. Okay, please check it out. So the direct question, what I want to share with you, like what are the parameters you have to consider for defining main class? What are the parameters you have to consider to define your subclass of the turbine? And third question is, what is the special class? Okay, that also you can check.
Sir, special class I can give answer now itself.
Okay.
Means suppose that S class means it's a defined or specified by the designer. Overall, the OEM, they can mention the values for which wind condition or which turbulence intensity they're design based. So that is S class. That is means.
Super, very nice.
Yes.
Still, this is open. Please, you think in
Sure,
depth,
sir.
and you give like a very specific answer. Okay, so it's a half right. Okay, but there is still something need to be finalized, because if I am saying it is 7.5 and maximum is 42.5 and my turbulence intensity is this, whether it is coming under the customer definition or something else also there, please check. Okay.
Yeah, sure.
Super.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Thank you. So, Mr. Ananda or Dr. Aditya or Sri Lakshman, anyone who want to share some points, then you can share. Yeah, Vijay, I will move you to like a participant. Thank you. Okay. So, anyone? Okay. No problem. Thank you very much for joining. Like I request everyone, please participate. This session is not me sharing 1 hour some content. This session is mainly for people to share their questions and their experience, their wins, their opportunities, their challenges. That is the main purpose. But I found still we don't maybe we have to structure it very well to give the opportunity to share the people their views and wins and all. Here LinkedIn, I feel like audio event having some limitation. Some of the people have some challenges to connect and share. That's the reason we are opening up like our sessions in coming days. You can directly book through our website. 1 second, I will take the link of it so that you can I will share with you. Just bookmark. Whenever you feel of joining this event, you can join. No restriction on this. People who are committed to wind industry, or they want to build a sustainable career within wind industry, or you want your children's or somebody want to get inside the wind industry, you can also use this platform. And if they are studying in colleges, you can also invite them to join. Mainly it is focused for wind energy professional, but if some cases you think that it will be helpful for your kids, they can get benefit, then this one link is enough for you. Like every time you can use it, and you can book it here directly. It will give only one time. What is the timing? It is there. You no need to worry about timing and all. Only one thing you need to worry, you can book only 2 hours before the scheduled time, so no other time you can book. Now I give take a time to like few seconds. I will share with all of you, like message you, then you can also just try now itself. You can do. I don't know, I cannot send to some people because you might be like not in my friend list, so I cannot make it. Other people I can send. If somebody want this information, just please you can just message me also, you can get it. Anyway, I will add it in my profile there also, you can do. Okay, so I shared this information. Otherwise I will also add this detail in our description section of video. Also I post it in our event meeting link. So there you can find two important information. So one is the information for any of your questions related to wind energy sector. There is a form, you can fill it out, and you want to join this reconnect meeting, so you can use this particular link, and you can share with all your colleagues also, which is not if you share with the committed people then only it is useful. Otherwise we cannot make this useful. All the participants should be like get benefit out of it. That is the main reason. So I shared the link here also. You want to join. From next week we are going to keep this as a video event, means Zoom meeting. So only one link you need to join from now. Want to join Reconnect? You can register using this link. From next week I will add this link in our event like itself, so people can join. I just request you to share with all your contacts, so that more people can get benefit out of it. Even professors, like any people who are doing research, they can also join. It will help, like you, industry leaders or industry experienced people, they can share their knowledge with other people, and they also can get benefit out of it. That's what I want to share with you. So finally, before going to conclude, once again I like to thank every one of you for participating in this event. And it is very important, like you take your valuable time on this Friday evening, and it is coming Saturday because of last few weeks, like we are conducting in Saturday time. So thank you for joining here. Before closing, I like to share with you like what are the wins for me. This week I designed very detailed course for wind energy professional. That is like for 10 weeks we can conduct that program, so something like that. Luckily, first program people are from Pune. They are going to join me this particular week, means coming week. 5 days they are coming, attending in person. We are conducting a 10 session in 5 days. It is like a very fast paced learning process. So that kind of commitment from them, that is a really big win for me. And second important win is like I'm planning to design a new course for wind energy professional, which will be accessible like irrespective of my time availability. They can learn from there. I am going to like make level 1, level 2, level 3 courses, so that the beginners, they can join courses in the starting stage. So power curve analysis and everything, I'm going to make it something, and data analysis and quality check, all those things, especially for wind energy professional, that is also going to add. Many things in pipeline. Maybe in this 7 months, like 6 months, I will design everything available to the public to access. So these are all like a very good movement for me now. Also, I redesign all the training and coaching training models for trainers and coaches. That is also done. This is good. And I think newly one person joined now. Okay, I am so sorry. You are like, we are winding up, Mr. Mula Hussain. Okay, I'm pronouncing correctly, I guess. Yes. So I will send you the link of our live, so you can check it out. For next meeting also, we have the registration link which is available, so you can use this. Like next week onwards, we are going to use it as a Zoom meeting. You can use it, like you can connect with us. And once again, I thank all the people for joining. Ananda also I shared with you, so you can also check. You can use it. So this link you can use it and join every time. You can invite all your friends also. These are my wins and the opportunities. Like now I studied like detail about what are the openings available, how much percentage available for each and every people. That is like helpful for all the people. Many opportunities we come across, and main statistics we are making now. We made one dedicated YouTube channel for only wind energy. No other content will be there in that. So very soon it will be like available for public, more data available. So then another important thing is like for us, like challenge again, reaching more people is one big challenge. I request all of you to help me in this process. You can share with all your colleagues and ask them to spare at least 1 hour per week just to know about industry and challenges and all those things. Many of you might not know about these 14 manufacturers available, and many of you don't know about like whether they have like what are the variants available. Many things not known to many of us. So kindly share with the people. Maybe you are more knowledge than me in some cases. Some of the areas, since I am dedicatedly doing this program for like many years, so I will have some information, or I will have different perspective compared to what you have. That will may help you. Like in some cases, after attending 2-3 sessions, you can decide. And I am committed for this. Like every week we will learn something like technical and all those things. But finally, one monthly once we will be focusing on sustainability, how to build ourselves a sustainable career and sustainable life. That will be like your commitment for that month, what you are going to do. I'm just holding the accountability. And if you want to make this program as a very useful one, surely you can connect, and that will be really helpful. So I request again, like if we have 4 weeks, in 3 weeks we will discuss like this, like whatever we discussing now. But 4th week is completely planning for next month, what you want to do in terms of your physical health, mental health, and in your career related, anything you are having the challenges on communication, or like finding new jobs, or technology challenges, anything you want to learn, everything will be available there. Okay, so that is the dedicated session for that like final week. So I request all of you to focus on that particular thing in the month, like last month. So at least you attend 2 to 3 sessions per month. You will get a completely different perspective, and you can build your career in sustainable way. Not only the career, I assure you, like even I am taking it is for free. It never means that you are going to get low quality content, or you are going to get low quality value. Every time you are going to get a high value that is going to help and change your life, not only your life, within your family, and also beyond your family, to the society level it is going to contribute. That's what I can say. Like if you are going to invite your friends, and you want to take how valuable this session, you can use the video recording also. You can share with them, and then if they are found it useful, let them join. Okay, without they found value, they no need to join, because that is not necessary also. Like people find it valuable, they can join, and they can use this valuable time, because everyone time is very very important. Time and whatever purpose we are using, that is very important. Okay, so time is important. Why it is important, what purpose we are using, that is how it is become important. Otherwise nothing. Time is there separately, we are there separately. Like if you are making any action in any particular time, then it is become a valuable thing. Otherwise it is going to give, based on our action, we are going to get some result. That's all, nothing else. That's what I believe in myself. So every minute, every second, every hour, we are doing some action. For that action we are getting some results. That's all, nothing else in this life. So let us do it in effective way. That will help like many people, like within our family, beyond our family, and to the society. That is ultimate aim for us. So you can use our resources to share with the people. You can share our website, you can share our link, so that they will understand, okay, it's really happening. They should not take it granted, like okay, somebody is doing for some reasons. It's nothing like that. Nobody is attending, nothing like that. Once more people are joined, then ultimately the value will increase to the people. Surely very soon I will create one group within our website itself for wind energy people. Only the wind energy people can chat and ask the questions and get clarified. It will be the very closed group, so that it is not like accessible outside. You can discuss, you can take it forward, means anything related to any of your challenges and all. If you are not able to cover within the meeting time, next 1 week you can discuss and you can use it. Now Zoom also giving that option to chat for in the meeting, before the meeting, after the meeting, during the meeting. So all the options are available. I will keep activate all the things so that you can utilize it very effectively. Okay, so this is movement I want to share with you. I once again thank you every one of you. I will create a LinkedIn event. Also, I will share the option to join directly in this meeting as a Zoom meeting from next week. We are going to conduct. In the format is very simple. Every week we are going to discuss, which is very useful for us. Build a sustainable career, live a sustainable life. This is core idea for us. And every week it is a Zoom meeting. Also, one meeting in a month. It is for planning for next week in multiple aspects of our life. Then next month we will implement. Next to next month again you come back and you update what is the progress you made, how it is, and whether any challenges you faced. That will be dedicated. So 3 weeks for different purpose. 1 week is completely realigning ourselves for our present and future life. That's it. Thank you once again, one more time, like for joining today. I shared the link. All of you got the link, means just give me a thumbs up or something in your here in the chat, so we can take it forward. Yeah, okay. Thank you, Vijay. Thank you, Srikanth. Hussein, I hope you got the link. You messaged me also. Thank you very much. Dr. Aditi, again, thank you for joining back one more time. Yeah, thank you very much. We will connect like more information also afterwards, so we can take it forward. Thank you very much. See you in the next meeting. You can book it now. Once you booked, the automatically whatever the email ID you given, the link will send to you directly. If any reminder is needed, I will maybe send it like Friday morning, something like that. Okay. Thank you very much. I end the meeting here. Thank you once again. Thank you all. Okay, guys, we are concluded today meeting. I request to all the people who are watching in YouTube, like whenever you get the chance to watch this in YouTube, I will share the link in below in the comment section, so you can use that link to join this meeting. Every Friday now we are going to conduct at 8 p.m. as a Zoom meeting. You can join and get utilize of this your valuable time every Friday, and you can share with any of your colleague who are interested to join. Surely it will be going to add value to you. Like if more people join, I can create even multiple rooms where you can discuss about your core area, and then you can come back and share about what you learn on that day. That is what the format actually we created during the COVID time. That's what we done it. Now, like you are in regular your work, and so you finding time on either Friday or Saturday, it is a tough time. But if you can, if you think it is valuable, then every Friday you can use it. That will be helpful for you and to the not only to you, since you are working in renewable energy sector, it is going to help environment also, to the society also, because electricity is very important for all our like human being. So you are contributing to the good cause. So please join. Let us make it in a bigger way. Thank you very much. See you in the next meeting coming Friday on. 1 second, I will check like 21st, 8 p.m. Thank you very much.